everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that don't know who I am and are new here, I'm an Arabic calligrapher and a self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube, I help people learn calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon not to miss another video. Just before I get started with this tutorial, I want to let you guys know that the brushes I'm using in this video are created by me. It's a 10 brush pack consisting of 9 Kufic brushes and a square grid brush, which you can purchase from my website. You can find the link in the description box below. You can also find a demonstration video of these Kufic brushes already on my channel. Now that we have got this out of the way, let's dive into the tutorial. The grid method. I used to use the grid method until I discovered the other two methods. The grid is still a great method to use to quickly jot your design and artwork. Using the grid brush, draw a grid. Click on the Adjustment Magic Wand tab. Now at the bottom of the menu, click Recolor. Now recolor the boxes and create your composition. Once you are happy, use the eraser tool and remove the lines connected to the calligraphy. Once you have removed what was connected to the calligraphy, press the Selection tab. At the bottom of the screen, a tab pops up. Make sure it's on automatic and the plus sign is blue. Click on your calligraphy. In my case, it's the word Muhammad. Now copy it by using the shortcut gesture of swiping 3 fingers down and click Copy. Now add a new layer, swipe 3 fingers down and select Paste, and there you have it. The grid and gesture method. Draw a grid on a layer. Now add a new layer. Choose your favorite brush from the Kufic brush pack. Create a stroke and hold it so it becomes a straight line. Keeping the straight line held, touch and hold the screen with one finger, and that will make the line 180 or 90 degrees as required. Repeat this until you have completed your composition. The final artwork will be on a single layer. The drawing guide method. On a new layer, tap Action or the spanner icon. Click on Canvas and then activate the toggle for drawing guide. A tab at the bottom of the screen will appear. Click on the 2D grid. Change the grid size to 53 pixels. You can change the color of the grid to your desire. I chose blue in this example. You can increase the thickness of the grid. I think 50% is just right. You can change the opacity. I think 40% is perfect. Now choose your favorite brush and change the color if you want to. Make sure the brush size is 29%. Like you can see, the stroke doesn't snap to the grid. Let's go back and edit Drawing Guide and activate the toggle Assisted Drawing. Now whatever you write will be snapped to the grid. Let's write the word Muhammad. Once you've done, click on the Action tab, then click on Canvas and untoggle the Drawing Guide. Now you have the artwork on a single layer. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and check out the other videos I have on this channel, because I'm sure they'll bring you a lot of value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.